Hey guys, welcome back to Arcade Garage. Today's video, let's turn this way. We're taking this to the track. A mate and myself hired Collie Motorplex to test our cars. Now keep in mind this is a couple of weeks after the event happened, I just didn't film an intro. But anyway, there's probably about 5 to 7 clips in car and about the same of externally to watch, so try to sit through them. I know we get boring after see a lot of the same thing, but make sure you watch to the end because there's going to be like a blooper reel of a good selection of ones where I just went off track. The off track ones are all externally filmed, not inside the car, so they're more fun to watch. Quick rundown anyway. Wastegate was stuck open, it was extremely laggy, but it was making 25 pounds of boost and I was in 4th gear for the most part of it. So clutch did hold on the track. Anyway, let's jump straight into the videos and enjoy that. Okay, so that's about as many videos as I can be bothered finding through the runs that were good and keeping on there. Now let's jump to the blooper reel where I just went off track a million times. As slippery as I'm running out of a standard lock, hence why I have a subframe just down there. But I'm going to be cleaning up and sending off to get modified for the extra angle. But anyway, enjoy the blooper runs, me going off track in this. And as per usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hopefully next week's video we'll have the L67 Cali on the dyno, which was months ago, but I literally have not filmed an intro, which I'm just about to do as well, so I can get both them edited and up. But yeah, see you guys soon.